What's happening? This is Itsjohnnysnow back in the building, and today what we're going to do is add a sight to this Draco. All right, this is a Micro VSKA Draco, and what we're going to do is put the sight that I originally had tried to put on here a couple of videos back. It wouldn't go on because I didn't have the right plate, but I have the right plate now, and we're going to go ahead and install this sight on the Draco. Now, the sight that I put on here, I had put on this gun for a little bit, but it got taken off and replaced with the Hollow Sun. So make sure you go check out that video where I put the Hollow Sun on the Q5 match. And I'm gonna tell you guys something, this gun is freaking awesome. I love this gun. So definitely go check out the video. Now let's jump on into this Draco. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is take this magazine off and go ahead and get this where you can actually see it. So basically all I needed was this little plate right here to make it work. So here we have the plate on here. Let me screw this plate down. Get this tight on here, and yes, I have it all the way on the back of the rail. Get it closer to my eyeballs. Alrighty, so now that is on there, and let's put the RMR plate. Alrighty. RMR plate is on here. Let's screw this down. All right, now that we got the plate on there, getting the sight screwed down. Okay, there we go, and that's the fit of it. That's how it looks. Now let's go ahead and put the magazine back in for full effect, and boom, that's how she rides on there, you know. And I think it looks pretty good. You know, matter of fact, hold on. All right, so here we go. That's what she's gonna look like. And you know, if you looked at my last video, I told you that I am basically gonna make this a set with my Q5. Gonna make it a set with my Q5. I haven't done a blue Draco before, so you know, I think I'm liking this black and blue combination. I'm really liking this black and blue combination. So, you know, I think that making this Draco right here a match to the Q5, you know, who wouldn't want to carry a Q5 and a Micro Draco? Hit me in the comments if you're one of them. Because there might be a few people who wouldn't want to carry one of these, but I'm cool with it. And you know, the way this sight works, that looks good on here. Like I said it in the other video. Only reason I took this off of the Q5 was because I did not like how the lines flowed. But this sight works great. This is a very good sight. You know, and this is the Guwatar HHC A18. Let's see if you can see that. HHC A18. HHC A18. And The sight is absolutely one of the, for the money, yes, definitely one of the better closed enclosure sights that you can get, because this is gonna run you around $188, $188, somewhere there and abouts, and that's on Amazon. So definitely check it out, and we're definitely got another piece of the process done, putting this Draco together. Now when the new clothes get here, which now that I've decided how I want to go with this, they will be here soon, then you guys definitely gonna have to stay tuned so you can tell me what you guys think. So alright, make sure that if you have not subscribed to this channel, you hit that button so you can follow the journey that I take all of these weapons on Itsjohnnysnow